Hey, where did we go? Days before the plague. Downtown's a mess now.
All right, so hello everybody and welcome on back to the channel. Another unboxing for you all, and this is something that, yes, you know what? If you guys are going to judge me, I don't think anybody judges me here on the channel, but judge away, because my goal today is to get you all addicted to painting. Okay, painting. Yep, that's what we're going to do today. So I am going to unbox a mixed media Ohuhu Sketchbook. Okay. And this is the pamphlet it came with, and it tells you about the Ohuhu paper. There's nothing like a blank sketchbook to unleash your ideas and creativity without limit. And there's nothing better than the Ohuhu paper pad to capture those ideas on. The Ohuhu paper pad is designed for all types of artworks, on which you can sketch, stipple, I never heard of that word, and draw manga, cartoons, still life, and practice your own techniques with ease. Your work deserves to last a long time, which is why we make our paper 100% acid-free to keep colors vibrant for years to come. Plus, I'm sorry, that meant please. Please put the included EVA sheet included between papers to prevent any bleed through. How to tear out the page easier. Oh, so you can tear out pages. All right. So every page in this book is perforated. To tear out a page easier, please double press the perforated line. Anything else? This is in different languages. Okay. All right. So let's take a look, my friends. We're going to use our little paper cutter right here. It is raining. Can you hear the rain? I love it. The wind is blowing. Yes. I saw this and I said, you know what? I am going to get this book just because I want to use this. I have an idea, friends. I have an idea. And there are 78 pages. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. So it has a little thing to kind of keep your book closed. This feels really nice. It's not like a leather, but it's like, it kind of feels plasticky. Okay. We'll take this little thing off real quick. And here is our protector right here. Okay. So I'm probably not going to use the first page, but the paper does feel good. Actually, I will use the first page. But what I would like to do is sketch out a little something for you all. All right. It's really noisy in my house right now. So I will be right back. Okay, so I am going to use some washi tape because I do like the crisp lines. Plus, it kind of holds down my my paper. So we're going to just use some very cheap washi tape. Okay, stick that over there. And this is going to be our first page. I'm super excited about it. And I'm thinking maybe we'll do like some fall leaves of some sort. Okay, that down. Ooh, hopefully this works. This stays in place and doesn't tear off my paper. That would be awesome. Be great. All right, and then one more. And Miller is here, by the way. So if you hear some barking, that is Miller. It is raining. His mom and dad had a softball tournament, so he is out in the living room hanging with his pawpaw. All right, so there we go. Now I'm going to start with acrylic markers. I'm going to start with that because I forgot to do something unless I put it in. Did I put it in already? I did. Look at that, Chris. You're ahead of the game. All right. Let me go and grab this inspiration from Pinterest, and I'm going to make this into a time-lapse video. So I'm going to say goodbye to my face for now, and I will see you all very soon. right, so I am back, and we made 3 hibiscus flowers, a little bit of Hawaiian themes here, but they came out really nice. I'm loving it. Now let's see how well this washi tape holds up. Am I speaking in another language? Probably. But let's peel this off and let's see how this looks. It's not taking any of the paper off. I have to say, the paper is really good. I love it, and it's very easy to work with. Meaning with the markers was very satisfying, I guess you can say. But look at those crisp lines. See all those washi tapes that you all have. You can do this too. You all can do this too. Not just me, but you too. Go on Pinterest. Okay, so I'm gonna give you all a closer look so you can see. Oh yes, I was gonna do like another coat of this, but I said no. But it looks good. There goes Miller. Miller is barking at whoever is walking down the street. Miller is so nosy. But there you go. This video is short. I hope you all enjoyed.